Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the year of 2024 for all the Pisces and Aquarius Ascendant people. Rest of the Ascendant we have covered in our previous videos for the yearly prediction 2024. First of all, we will talk about Aquarius Ascendant. For all the Aquarius Ascendant people, Jupiter controls your second house and your 11th house. And right now, Jupiter is moving in your third house in the sign of Aries. In yearly prediction video, we only talk about four planets: Jupiter, Saturn, Rahu, and Ketu, because these are the four planets which changes their sign in the long duration of time. So first of all, we will talk about Jupiter. For all the Aquarius ascendant people, Jupiter controls your second house and your 11th house. Second house deal with your family lineage, your early upbringing is seen from second house, your speech, your food intake habit, your family related, all the matter is seen from second house. Your 11th house deal with your money, your incoming gains is seen from 11th house, your friend circle, your professional circle, your elder brother and sisters, your achievements in life is also seen from 11th house, your get-together is also seen from 11th house, your socialism, your community-based thinking, your community-based work is also seen from 11th house, and your hopes and wishes and fulfillment of hopes and wishes is also seen from 11th house. So right now your second house and 11th house lord is moving in your third house in the sign of Aries. So in the year of 2024, especially till 1st May, because till 1st May Jupiter is present in your third house. So till 1st May 2024, we can expect great result for your money related matter and your incoming gains, because right now your second house lord, your money, your savings lord, your bank account lord, your wallet lord, your money, especially your money matters lord, is moving second places away from itself in the third house. Third house deal with your cousins, your neighbors, your childhood friends, especially your communication and your efforts is seen from third house. Your handwriting, how much effort you can put in anything is also seen from third house. So your efforts basically and your communication ability is seen from third house. Right now, second house and 11th house, your achievement lord is also moving in your third house, and from third house Jupiter is also expecting its own house, means your 11th house. And so we can expect great result in the year of 2024 for all the Aquarius ascendant people regarding your gains, regarding your family related matter, regarding your savings, regarding your communication with your cousins, neighbors. You will encounter a lot of new people in the year of 2024 before 1st May for your communication relation, and you will find new friends in the year of 2024 as well, because from third house of communication, Jupiter is expecting your 11th house, your friend circle and professional network circle. So we can expect great result from Jupiter in the year of 2024. Also, we can expect great growth and good result for your younger brother and sisters in the year of 2024, because right now Jupiter is moving in your third house. After 1st May, Jupiter will move to your 4th house in the sign of Taurus. So after 1st May, your 11th house and second house lord will be moving in your 4th house. 4th house will be your mother's health is seen from 4th house, your home, your property, physical home where you live is seen from 4th house, your homeland related matter is also seen from 4th house, your conveniences in life, means your vehicles, your cars, your refrigerator, your AC is also seen from 4th house. How much conveniences do you have in your life is seen from 4th house. How much comfort you have in your life is also seen from 4th house. Your properties, your vehicles also seen from 4th house. Your emotions is also seen from 4th house. So after 1st May, when your 11th house lord and second house lord will be moving in your 4th house, then we can expect great result regarding your mother's health and your relationship with your mother. Also, we can expect growth in your properties and in your vehicle in the year of 2024. Also, we can expect you will renovate your home or your vehicles in the year of 2024 as well, because of presence of Jupiter in your 4th house. So Jupiter simply represent expansion, and Jupiter will be moving in your 4th house. So Jupiter will expand your properties and vehicle and give you great result regarding your work related matter as well, because from 4th house Jupiter will also aspect your 10th house house of your work, house of your career. So we can expect great result in the year of Jupiter for all the Aquarius Ascendant people in 2024. Now let's talk about aspects of Jupiter. So before first May, Jupiter is moving in your third house. From third house, Jupiter will aspect your seventh house, your ninth house, and your 11th house. So when Jupiter from your third house aspect your seventh house, we can expect great result regarding your marriage related matter, regarding your relationships in general. If you are doing any business, then we can also expect great result regarding your business and business partnership in the year of 2024 due to presence of Jupiter's aspects on your seventh house. If you are already married, then we can expect great relationship with your spouse in the year of 2024 as well. Jupiter will also aspect your ninth house from your third house. Ninth house deal with your father, teachings of your father, your long distance travel is seen from ninth house, your teachers, your mentors, your lawyers, your second marriage, your luck related matter, your higher education means your post-grad education, and your philosophical knowledge is also seen from ninth house. Your religious knowledge and your religious inclination, your religious pilgrimage is also seen from ninth house. So when from third house Jupiter will aspect your ninth house, then we can expect great result regarding your travel related matter, regarding your health of your father will be good in the year of 2024, especially till 1st May 2024 till Jupiter is aspecting from your third house to your ninth house. Also we can expect great result regarding your higher education related matter if you are in education life, if you are doing some post-grad education in your life. So we can expect great result for your education in the year of 2024. The ninth house also represent your travel, and third house also deal with short distance travel, and ninth house deal with long distance travel. So Jupiter may give you long distance travel, especially related to religious matter or your pilgrimages related matter in the year of 2024. Jupiter will also aspect from your third house to your 11th house, its own sign in the sign of Sagittarius, because in your 11th house, Sagittarius sign is placed. So when Jupiter will aspect from your third house to 11th house, we can expect great result regarding your elder brother and sister, regarding your hopes and wishes and your get together. Also, we can expect great result as we discussed previously regarding your new friend circle in the year of 2024. You will find a lot of good friends and professional network circle in the year of 2024. And as we discussed previously, we can also expect great result regarding your gains related matter, incoming gains in the form of money, in the form of achievements. After 1st May, Jupiter will move to your 4th house. So from 4th house, Jupiter will aspect your 8th house, your 10th house, and your 12th house. So when from your 4th house, after 1st May, Jupiter will aspect your 8th house, then we can expect great result regarding your sudden events related matter. But Ketu is already moving in your 8th house. You need to be take care of your sudden events when you need to be drive carefully in the year of 2024. But aspects of Jupiter on your 8th house, Ketu will try to protect you from your sudden negative events like accident, etc., etc. Because Ketu is not performed very well in your 8th house. Ketu may give you some kind of diseases in your 8th house, like hidden diseases. Hidden diseases means your secretive organ diseases in your 8th house. But aspects of Jupiter after 1st May will try to protect you from the negative effects of Ketu in your 8th house. Also, Jupiter will aspect your 10th house from your 4th house. 10th house deal with your work environment, your fame, your authority, your bosses, your co-worker, and nature of your work is also seen from 10th house. How far you can go in your life in regards to your career and profession is seen from 10th house. So when Jupiter will aspect from your 4th house to your 10th house, we can expect great growth and promotions and good result regarding your profession related matter, regarding your career related matter. Also, we can expect you will have a lot of respect from your co-worker in the year of 2024 due to your good ability of work because of Jupiter aspect to your 10th house from your 4th house, because 4th house is homeland, and from the house of homeland Jupiter aspecting your career, your work. So we can expect great result in the year of 2024 for your work related matter. You will get a lot of support from your superior and bosses in the year of 2024. Jupiter will also aspect from your 4th house to your 12th house. And 12th house deal with your foreign settlement, your isolation, your expenses, your losses, your spirituality related matter is in from 12th house. Your isolation means isolation places like your hospitalization, jail, asylum is also seen from 12th house. Your imagination ability is also seen from 12th house. Your dreams and your sleep pattern is also seen from 12th house. So when Jupiter will aspect from your 4th house to your 12th house, we can expect great result regarding your travel related matter as we discussed previously, because 4th house deal with your homeland, and from the house of homeland, Jupiter is aspecting your foreign settlement related matter, means your 12th house. Also, we can expect you will expend a lot of money in the year of 2024 in a good way to your properties related matter and your vehicle related matter. As we discussed previously, maybe you will renovate your properties and buy a new properties in the year of 2024, because Jupiter is expecting from your fourth house, house of properties, house of vehicle, to your expenses and losses. So you will spend your money to buy new properties or renovate your properties. So, and also we can expect great result if you are interested into some spirituality related matter, because fourth house, eighth house, and 12th house is always connected to your spirituality, your isolation, your secretive things. So when Jupiter is aspecting your 12th house from your fourth house, we can expect great result regarding your spirituality related matter in the year of 2024, especially after 1st May, when Jupiter will move from your third house to your fourth house. So we can expect these results from Jupiter's aspect in the year of 2024 for all the Aquarius ascendant people. Now let's talk about Saturn. For all the Aquarius ascendant people, Saturn controls your first house and your 12th house. And right now, Saturn is moving in your first house. Means right now, Saturn is your ascendant lord. And right now, your ascendant lord in the year of 2024 will be moving in your first house. 12th house, as we discussed previously, 12th house is with your expenses, your losses, your isolations, your foreign settlement related matter, your dreams, your sleep pattern, and your long-term investment is also seen from 12th house. First house will with you, your personality, your overall aspects of life is seen from first house, your general health, your fundamental nature, your physique, your personality, and your fame, along with 7th and 10th house is also seen from first house. So right now your ascendant lord is in ascendant, so we can expect great strength, great support, and great mental abilities and physical abilities for you to do hard work in the year of 2024. And all the hard work you will do in 2024 will give you payback, because right now your ascendant lord is moving in your ascendant. Saturn will make you more mature, more focused, and more hardworking in the year of 2024, because of presence of your ascendant lord Saturn in your ascendant. Also, we can expect if you want to travel somewhere in the year of 2024, especially after 1st May, because after 1st May, Jupiter will also look to your 12th house, and right now 12th house lord is moving in your first house. So if you try to move from your birthplace to some different country in the year of 2024, then we can expect great result for you people in the year of 2024. So we can expect these results from Saturn in the year of 2024 for all the Aquarius ascendant people. Now let's talk about aspects of Saturn. As we know, Saturn has three aspects. Saturn aspect third place is away from itself, Saturn aspect seventh place is away from itself, and Saturn aspect 10th place is away from itself. So from your third house, Saturn will be aspecting your third house, and your seventh house, and your 10th house. So now first of all talk about third aspects of Saturn. So when Saturn in the year of 2024 will aspect your third house, Jupiter is also moving in your third house till 1st May. So till 1st May we can expect you will not get any restriction, any responsibility regarding your third house related matter. But after 1st May, when Jupiter will move from your third house, then Saturn will be alone aspecting your third house. So you need to be take care of your communication related matter, because third aspect of Saturn is the hard aspect. Third aspects of Saturn will give you struggle regarding your third house related matter. Also you need to be take care of your communication related matter when you are dealing with your cousins, neighbors, and in general your communication ability will be suppressed in the year of 2024 after 1st May, when Saturn will alone aspecting your third house. Also, you need to be take care of your cousins, neighbors, especially your younger brother and sisters, because a third aspect of Saturn will make you do a lot of effort and will make them to do a lot of effort in their life, because third aspect of Saturn represent effort and struggle. So you need to be take care of these matters, especially after 1st May 2024 till the whole year of 2024. Saturn will also aspect your 7th house from its 7th aspect. So when Saturn will aspect your 7th house, then we can expect you will get good result. 7th house from 1st house, then we can expect great result regarding your marriage related matter, regarding your relationships in general, and your business and business partnership due to mutual aspects of Jupiter and Saturn on your 7th house, especially till 1st May. Because right now Saturn is moving in its own sign in good position. That's why we can expect great result regarding your relationship related matter. Your fame will be increased in the year of 2024. In any level you are working, like you are a office worker or a job worker, your fame will be increased. You will get a lot of support from your superior and other people in your life, because Saturn is aspecting your 7th house from your 1st house in its own sign, in the sign of Aquarius. Saturn will also aspect your 10th house. 10th house will be your work environment, your work, your career, your fame, your authority in life, your bosses, your superior, etc., etc. All of these things is seen from 10th house. So when Saturn will aspect from your 1st house to your 10th house, we can expect you Saturn will make you more hardworking and more responsible in the year of 2024 for your work related matter. Also, after 1st May, when Jupiter will also aspect your 10th house, then we can expect great growth, great promotions and increment in the year of 2024 regarding your work related matter. Your superiors will support you after 1st May 2024 at your workplace. So we can expect these results from the aspects of Saturn in the year of 2024 for all the Aquarius Ascendant people. Now let's talk about Rahu and Ketu. For all the Aquarius Ascendant people, Rahu is right now moving in your 2nd house and Ketu is right now moving in your 8th house. First of all, we will talk about Rahu. Rahu is just moved from your 3rd house to your 2nd house after 30th October 2023. As we is just moved from your 3rd house to your 2nd house after 30th October 2023, as we discussed previously in Rahu Ketu transit video. But right now in the year of 2024, Rahu will be moving in your 2nd house till the whole year of 2024. 2nd house, as we discussed previously, 2nd house will be your speech, your food intake habit, your savings, your family matters in from 2nd house, your bank account, your saving in the form of money, in the form of jewelry. All of these things is seen from 2nd house. Your food intake habits are also seen from 2nd house. Rahu represent foreign thing, Rahu represent unusual thing, Rahu represent disturbance, Rahu represent struggle. So when Rahu is moving in your 2nd house in the year of 2024, we can expect you may have to deal a lot of difficulties regarding your food intake habits in the year of 2024. Also, we can expect Rahu will make you expend a lot of money in the year of 2024. Rahu will break your savings in the year of 2024 due to presence of Rahu in your 2nd house, because 2nd house will be your savings, your money matters, and Rahu is the unusual presence. Rahu give you disturbance regarding your 2nd house related matter. Also, you need to be take care of your family related matter as well. Rahu may create disturbance with your family member with you in the year of 2024. Also, due to your speech, because Rahu may disturb your speaking ability in the year of 2020. You may argue a lot with your family members in the year of 2024. Also, and say a lot of bad words in your argument when you're dealing with your family matters and your cousin's neighbor, because Rahu is right now moving in your 2nd house in the sign of speech. So you need to be take care of these matter in the year of 2024 because of Rahu is present in your 2nd house. Now let's talk about Ketu. Ketu is right now moving in your 8th house, and Ketu is just moved after 30th October 2023 from your 9th house to your 8th house. 8th house deal with your sudden events, your longevity, your chronic diseases, your ups and downs in life is seen from 8th house. Your in-laws related matter, your joint account with the spouse is also seen from 8th house. Your secret studies, research studies also seen from 8th house. Ketu represents separation, detachment, isolation. Ketu is a spiritual planet. Ketu represent hidden thing. Ketu represent past. Basically, Ketu want to make you into isolation because Ketu represent isolation. So in the year of 2024, Ketu will be moving in your 8th house. So you need to be take care of your in-laws related matter. If you are married right now, you may have to face some confrontation, some difficulties, some argument from your in-laws. Also, we can expect you need to be take care of your joint account with your spouse. You may have to lose a lot of money in the year of 2024 if you have joint account with your spouse, because right now Ketu is moving in your 8th house. Rahu will make you expend a lot of money on unnecessary things, due to which your joint account with your spouse will also affect. So you need to be take care of these matter in the year of 2024. But after first May, Jupiter will aspect your 8th house. Then we can expect some relief regarding your 8th house related matter and your sudden events related matter in the year of 2024. So we can expect these results from Ketu in the year of 2024 for all the Aquarius ascendant people. Also, one thing here is very important to mention is that if you are into some spirituality, some hidden studies like tarot card astrology, then after first May we can expect great result for you, because right now in the house of hidden study, in the house of secretive study, Ketu is moving. Ketu is a very spiritual planet, and Jupiter support spirituality in the 4th house. So when Jupiter will moving in your 4th house after first May and expecting your 8th house and 12th house, and Ketu is already moving in your 8th house, then we can expect great result regarding your hidden studies related matter, regarding your research related matter, regarding your spirituality related matter if you are interested into some spirituality. So we can expect these results in the year of 2024 for all the Aquarius ascendant people from all the planets. Now let's talk about Pisces ascendant people. For all the Pisces ascendant people, Jupiter controls your first house and your 10th house. And right now Jupiter is moving in your second house in the year of 2024. Jupiter will stay in your second house till 1st May 2024. After 1st May, Jupiter will move to your third house in the sign of Taurus. So till 1st May, Jupiter is moving in your second house. First house will be due your personality, your overall aspects of life in season. First house, your general health, your fundamental nature, your physique, your physical ability is also seen from first house. Your fame along with 10th house and 7th house is also seen from first house. 10th house deal with your work, your career, your superior seen from 10th house. How far you can go in your career is also seen from 10th house. Your fame, your authority in life is seen from 10th house. How how good you are in your work is also seen from 10th house, and your work colleague is also seen from 10th house. So right now your 10th house and first house lord in the year of 2024 till 1st May is moving in your second house. Second house deal with your family, your savings, your money matter, your bank account, your speech and your food intake habits, and your early upbringing is also seen from second house. So right now Jupiter is moving in your second house. So in the year of 2024 till 1st May, Jupiter will expand your savings in your second house. Jupiter will increase your bank account due to gains of money, because right now Jupiter is moving your 10th house and ascendant lord is moving in your second house. Also we can expect some positive event in your family before 1st May 2024 till Jupiter is moving in your second house. Also second house deal with your speech. You will give you very good result regarding your speech and communication related matter in your second house till 1st May 2024. Also we can expect great result regarding your work related matter, because as we discussed previously, second house, 6th house and 10th house always connected to your work related matter and your earnings. And right now your 10th house lord is moving in your second house, and from second house Jupiter is also expecting your 6th and 10th house. So we can expect great result, great growth and great increment in the year of 2024 regarding your work related matter. So right now your first house lord is moving in your second house, so we can expect great result regarding your personality, your health related matter. Also Jupiter will give you good health in the year of 2024 due to presence of your ascendant lord in your second house. So we can expect these results from Jupiter in the year of 2024 for all the Pisces ascendant people till 1st May. After 1st May, Jupiter will move to your third house in the sign of Taurus. So after 1st May, we can expect you may get good result regarding your communication related matter, regarding your efforts related matter, because third house deal with the communication, your efforts, your younger brother and sisters, your cousins, neighbors, childhood friends, your handwriting, and all the related matter to your handwriting is seen from third house. Especially your communication and your efforts is seen from third house. So when Jupiter will move from your second house to your third house after 1st May, we can expect great result regarding your work related matter, and your first house means you, your personality, your health related matter. But third house also represent your efforts. So Jupiter will expand your effort. You may have to do a lot of effort and you will get lot of responsibility from your work, but This effort will give you payback in the year of 2024 in a good manner. You will get good promotions in the end of year of 2024, because after 1st May you will do a lot of effort towards your work and your health. Maybe you will start doing workout in the year of 2024, because first house represents you, your health, your general health, and right now, and in the year of 2024, especially after 1st May, Jupiter will be moving in your third house, in the house of effort. So Jupiter will expand your efforts in the year of 2024. Also, we can expect good result regarding your younger brother and sister's life. Also, we can expect great result regarding your communication and your friendship routines and your friendship related matter in the year of 2024, especially after 1st May. So we can expect these results from Jupiter in the year of 2024 for all the Pisces Ascendant people. As we know, Jupiter has three aspects. Jupiter aspect 5th place is away from itself, Jupiter aspect 7th place is away itself, and Jupiter aspect 9th place is away from itself. So from 2nd house, before 1st May, Jupiter is moving in your 2nd house. So from 2nd house, Jupiter will aspect your 6th house. So when Jupiter will aspect your 6th house, Jupiter will give you good result regarding your court case, litigation, and competition related matter, especially before 1st May, because 6th house deal with the court case, litigation, argument, fight, etc., etc. So Jupiter will give you good result regarding all of these matter in your life if you're dealing with some court cases, some competition, and some argument. Exams are also seen from 6th house. So Jupiter will also give you good result regarding your exams related matter. Exams are also considered as in a competitive manner. Jupiter will also aspect your 8th house from your 2nd house. 8th house deal with your in your longevity, your in-laws, your sudden events in your life is seen from 8th house. Sudden positive events, sudden negative events are also seen from 8th house. Your hidden studies, your secret relationship, your secret activities like your sexual activity, your sexual organ is also seen from 8th house. So when Jupiter will aspect from your 2nd house to 8th house, we can expect Jupiter will give you great increment and great growth in your joint account with your spouse. If you have any joint account with your spouse, also we can expect great result regarding your in-laws related matter if you are married right now. Also, if you are interested into some research study or you are doing some research regarding any subject in your life, we can also expect great result regarding your research. Jupiter will also suppress sudden negative event in your life due to aspects of Jupiter from your 2nd house to your 8th house. Jupiter will also aspect your 10th house from your 2nd house, and 10th house is Jupiter own sign, means Sagittarius sign comes in your 10th house. So when Jupiter will aspect your 10th house, we can expect great growth, great promotion, and great support from your superior at your workplace in the year of 2024, especially before 1st May till Jupiter is moving in your 2nd house. After 1st May, Jupiter will move from your 2nd house to your 3rd house. So from 3rd house, Jupiter will aspect your 7th house, your 9th house, and your 11th house. So after 1st May, when Jupiter will aspect your 7th house, right now Ketu is already moving in your 7th house. So Ketu will give you disturbance before 1st May regarding your marriage related matter if you are married right now. If you are in business partnership, you need to take care of your business related matter before 1st May. But after 1st May, when Jupiter will aspect your 7th house from your 3rd house, then we can expect some relief and some support from Jupiter. And Jupiter aspect to your 7th house regarding your marriage related matter, regarding your business and business partnership. Jupiter will also give you some fame. Jupiter will also increase your get together with other people after 1st May, when Jupiter will aspect from your 3rd house of communication to your relationship and other people's house, 7th house. Jupiter will also aspect from your 3rd house to your 9th house. 9th house deal with your travel, your long distance travel is seen from 9th house, your father, teaching your father, your mentors, your teacher, your second marriage, and your long distance travel is also seen from 9th house. So Jupiter may give you foreign travel after 1st May 2024 due to aspects of Jupiter from your 3rd house to your 9th house. Also, we can expect great result regarding your education related matter if you are in education life or postgraduate education in the year of 2024. So we can expect aspects of Jupiter will incline you more towards your religious inclination or your philosophical inclination, because Jupiter represents both of these things. Also, we can expect great result regarding your second marriage related matter if you are trying to do second marriage in your life in the year of 2024, especially after 1st May. Jupiter will also aspect from your 3rd house to your 11th house from its 9th aspect. 11th house will be your gains, your incoming gains is seen from 11th house in the form of money, in the form of achievement, and anything is seen from 11th house. Your friend circle, your professional circle is also seen from 11th house. Your elder brother and sisters, your hopes and wishes, and fulfillment of hopes and wishes also seen from 11th house. So when Jupiter after 1st May 2024 will aspect your 11th house from your 3rd house, we can expect great result regarding your incoming gains, regarding your money related matter, because Jupiter is aspecting your 11th house. Also, we can expect you will get great friends, good friends in the year of 2024 after 1st May. Also, Jupiter aspect on your 11th house will prove beneficial for your elder brother and sisters in the year of 2024. Also, we can expect good result regarding your fulfillment of hopes and wishes, especially after 1st May 2024. So, we can expect these results from Jupiter's aspect in the year of 2024 for all the Pisces ascendant people. Now let's talk about Saturn. For all the Pisces ascendant people, Saturn controls your 12th house and your 11th house. And right now Saturn is moving in its own sign in your 12th house in the sign of Aquarius. 11th house will be your hopes and wishes, your friend circle, your professional circle. Fulfillment of hopes and wishes also seen from 11th house. Your achievements in life is also seen from 11th house. Your friend circle, your get together, your socialism, your community work is also seen from 11th house. 12th house will be your expenses, your losses, your foreign settlement related matter is seen from 12th house, your spirituality, your long-term investment, your dreams, your sleep pattern, your imagination is also seen from 12th house. So right now in the year of 2024, Saturn will be moving in your 12th house till the whole year of 2024. So when your 11th house lord is moving in your 12th house in a strong position, we can expect great gains from foreign land for you people, all the Pisces ascendant people in the year of 2024. Also, we can expect great result regarding your spirituality related matter, because Saturn in 12th house perform very well regarding your spirituality. Saturn will give you reality in your dreams in the year of 2024, because Saturn is right now moving in the house of dreams and in its own sign. Saturn will give you good result. Also, you will find in the year of 2024, you will have unknown support in the year of 2024 regarding other realms, because other realms is also seen from 12th house, your outer space. Other thing outside the world, all the thing is seen from 12th house, and Saturn is right now moving in your 12th house. So we can expect great result regarding your support from unknown source in the year of 2024. Also, we can expect great result regarding your foreign settlement related matter, because 12th house deal with foreign settlement, and right now your 12th house lord house is in a strong position. So we can expect great result in the year of 2024 for your 12th house related matter and your 11th house related matter. Now let's talk about aspects of Saturn. As we know, Saturn has three aspects. Saturn aspect third place is away from itself, Saturn aspect 7 places away from itself, and Saturn aspect 10 places away from itself. So right now Saturn is moving in your 12th house. So from 12th house Saturn will aspect your 2nd house, and right now Jupiter is also moving in the year of 2024 till 1st May in your 2nd house. So till 1st May we can expect great gains, great growth in your savings. Also, Saturn will make you mature and responsible regarding your money related matter in the year of 2024. But after 1st May, when Jupiter will move from your 2nd house to your 3rd house, then Saturn will alone looking your 2nd house. So then you need to be take care of your expenses and losses, because 12th house deal with expenses and losses, and Saturn from your 12th house will be expecting your 2nd house in the year of 2024. Also, we can expect Saturn may take one of your family member into foreign land due to any reason, because right now Saturn is aspecting your 2nd house from its third aspect and third aspect of Saturn is related to your efforts and struggle. So when Saturn from your 12th house aspecting your 2nd house, we can expect Saturn may take your one of family member, especially older one. Saturn may take into a foreign land due to any reason. Saturn will also aspect your 6th house from your 12th house. 6th house will be your court case, litigation, arguments, fights, your loans, your debt, your daily routine in the context of your work, and your disease related matter is also seen from 6th house. So before first May, Saturn and Jupiter, both the planets will be looking to your 6th house. So mutual aspects of Saturn and Jupiter on your 6th house will give you great result regarding your competition related matter, regarding your hidden enemies related matter, regarding your exams and argument related matter in the year of 2024. Jupiter aspect on your 6th house will also support you to pay your loan back in the year of 2024 if you are in a debt right now. Saturn aspect on your 6th house will suppress your hidden enemies and your negativity in your life. But after 1st May, when Jupiter aspect will be removed from your 6th house, because Jupiter will move to your 3rd house after 1st May. So when Saturn will be aspecting alone your 6th house, then you need to be take care of your disease, take care of your health related matter, because from 12th house of hospitalization, house of losses, Saturn will be aspecting your 6th house. Saturn will also aspect your 9th house from your 12th house. 9th house will be your long distance travel, your religious matter, your higher education, your father, teachings of your father seen from 9th house, your DNA, your teachers, mentors, coaches, your lawyers, your second marriage is also seen from 9th house. Your religious inclination is also seen from 9th house. So when Saturn will aspect your 9th house from your 12th house, we can expect good result regarding your travel related matter, because Saturn aspecting your 9th house, long distance travel, Lord house from the house of foreign settlement. Also, we can expect great result regarding your teachers and your higher education if you're in higher education right now, because Saturn will make you more responsible and more focus regarding your education related matter, because 10th aspect of Saturn work in that way. Also, Saturn will make you more religious in the year of 2024, especially after 1st May, when Jupiter will also aspect your 9th house along with Saturn from your 3rd house. So we can expect these results from the aspects of Saturn in the year of 2024 for all the Pisces ascendant people. Now let's talk about Rahu and Ketu. First of all, we will talk about Rahu. Rahu is right now moving in your 1st house, and Rahu is just moved from your 2nd house to your 1st house after 30th October 2023, as we discussed previously in our Rahu Ketu transit video. And Rahu will be stay in your 1st house till the whole year of 2024. First house deal with you, your personality, your overall aspects of life is seen from first house, your physique, your general health, etc. etc. All of these things is seen from first house. First house is considered as you, your personality, your health. So Rahu represent unusual thing, Rahu represent foreign thing, Rahu represent disturbance, Rahu represent efforts, Rahu represent unusual thing. So right now Rahu is moving in your first house. First house give you immense ability to do anything. Rahu will make you think you can do anything in your life in the year of 2024. May indulge you into unnecessary effort in the year of 2024, especially after 1st May, when Jupiter, your ascendant lord, will also move to your 3rd house in the house of effort. Also, if you want to move from your birthplace to some different country, then Rahu in your 1st house will be proved very beneficial and will give you great result regarding your travel related matter in the year of 2024. Also, Ketu is right now moving in your 7th house, and Ketu will also present in your 7th house till the whole year of 2024. So Ketu may give you disturbance regarding your marriage and your relationship related matter, especially your business partnership and your marriage related matter, because Ketu is moving in your 7th house. But after 1st May, Jupiter will aspect your 7th house, then we can expect some stability and some relief. But right now we are talking about Rahu and Ketu. Due to presence of Rahu in your 1st house, Rahu will give you more ego and more pride in your 1st house, and Ketu will give you more disturbance regarding your marriage related matter, regarding your relationship. So you need to be take care of these matter in the year of 2024. Also, if you are doing some business in partnership, then you need to be take care of your partner, and also you need to careful from your partner in the year of 2024, especially before 1st May, till Ketu is moving alone in your 7th house. But after 1st May, Jupiter will aspect your 7th house, then we can expect some relief and support regarding your 7th house related matter. So we can expect these results in the year of 2024 for all the Pisces ascendant people. For today's video, yearly prediction 2024 for all the Aquarius and Pisces ascendant people ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.